Welcome to Micro City, in the city of Neuchatel, Switzerland. This is the home of Focuslight Switzerland, previously known as SUS Micro Optics, and this will be the host of the kickoff meeting of the Advanced Manufacturing Alliance. This ambitious project by Optica aims to streamline all manufacturing of optics, as well as keeping all the capabilities of our members in a unique directory to facilitate end users and customers the whole manufacturing and testing line of optics. Over the next 3 days, we're going to discuss here all the needs for advanced optics manufacturing with 150 experts from all over the world, all of them with decision-making level at their companies. What can we do together? Over this meeting, we're going to have also end users from different market segments, including, for example, Tesla, who's going to tell us what they need in the space industry. Stay tuned to this LinkedIn channel because we will keep reporting everything that is discussed at this event. Also, this Advanced Manufacturing Alliance will have a memorandum of understanding. We share with our members already the first draft. If you want a copy of the MOU, send us an email and we'll share it to you. But also, over the next meeting, we are going to discuss what changes need to be made in that MOU. If you want to know about all the different things that are discussed here in Neuchatel, stay tuned to this LinkedIn channel or send us an email and we'll send you a copy of the minutes. Everything that's going to happen in Switzerland is going to happen at this room. Stay tuned, we'll keep reporting.